Hello, very good morning everybody in Nigeria government, all the Nigeria banks and all the Nigeria officers, bank officers. This is Nifty One Asia Investor Rajat Bala Subramaniam Chaudhary from Kolkata studio, sound recording. Today starting at 1:30 and Rajat Bala today want to talk with Kenya government, Kenya national football team, all the Kenya banks officers, and Rajat Bala talking with Cameroon national football team and Cameroon government, also Ghana national football team, Ghana government. Today we are in the discussion. Morning meeting was going on in my office, in the Salt Lake office, about the marketing process of an Argentina soul in the melody of a love song by Pablo Cesar, Argentina, and Rodrigo Guerrero Diaz. And Rajat Bala, as a online producer, and investor from Kolkata, is little bit worried about the marketing process. And we have designed more than 190 digital VFX posters. VFX posters are very beautiful. After a lot of discussions, after a lot of meetings, a lot of paperwork, how the design will be happening for Africa market. And in the primary stage, in the first stage of the release, we have only 4 countries in Africa: Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana and Cameroon. And I must tell Nigeria government and Nigeria banks, all the bank officers, to understand my perspective as a writer, as a film writer. And when the Qatar 2022 World Cup final completed, with the final match was very difficult and very tough for Lionel Messi and Mbappe, I took more than 25 days to think about how to structure the entire screenplay, how to structure the story. At the time of writing screenplay, I always thought that a debacle in the first match with Saudi Arabia cannot give a love affair, a love story with success and fulfillment. For a commercial film going to 80, 90, 120 countries, and we have increased the market to 120 countries to show Argentina film, Argentina soul in the melody of a love song. Because my chartered accountant saying you are Nifty One Argentina from India, this achievement is very prestigious for all the chartered accountants working in a different firm. And we talk with 3-4 different chartered accountants working in different companies, but they take outside deals. They are saying you are not an outsider for us. You are Nifty One Argentina, Nifty One Asia. You are our best friend and you are working in 80 countries. Your accounts we will be always processing. And they are saying you do more hard work with Argentina. You have 7 films deal with Nifty One Argentina banks. So you have to work more harder with Argentina market. And they are waiting for the success of an Argentina soul in the melody of a love song. So Nigeria government and Nigeria, all the banks should understand Rajat Bala as a film writer from India, taking Nigeria national football team in the first match with Argentina, an odd situation and odd thinking. Your government somehow after the release of the film will ask me, okay, why you took Nigeria as a team which did not qualify in the World Cup 2022. I spoke to my writers, I spoke to other writers. When we cannot take Saudi Arabia, when we cannot accept Saudi Arabia first match, 2-1 defeat for Argentina, we have to think about an odd entry, which will be the imagination of success. I'm telling Nigeria government, Kenya government, Cameroon government, Ghana government, imagination of success to select a team which is not in your imagination, but we need a success to start the story. This defeat is heartbreaking defeat. When Argentina got defeated and in the first round, I was in the clubhouse, the giant screen. I was shocked and I was a little bit crying. And I was trying to send a letter to Messi in the dressing room. Messi was shattered. Messi was shattered. I said, "Okay, Messi more strength, more strength. This is not the starting. This is not the starting. Messi more strength." So many people were heartbreaking, and 2-1 defeat is very difficult to accept. So we thought, okay, we need a African team, African football team in the first round. So we take Nigeria as the imagination of success. That means we have the imagination. Nigeria in the first round playing with Argentina in the Group C, and that is 3-0. So this is horrible. So I am telling Nigeria government, when the film is releasing in Nigeria, when the film is releasing in all over Africa, the media, the different companies, different sports companies, different institutions will be protesting. They will be sending many cases. Okay, this is first match is not accepted. So this is an imagination of success for the film writer who cannot accept Saudi Arabia defeat in the first match. Then we are shattered. Then we are writing step by step, and Argentina playing, and Passarella, 1982 Argentina member, is in Qatar squad, and he is the Golden Boot owner and man of the match owner, doing 3-0. So Argentina won the first match 3-0. That is our imagination of success. So when the film is releasing in 30 countries, all the newspapers, media, press watching Argentina winning the first match 3-0. So that animation, that graphics, that movement of the players, how they are moving, and the goal points, all are written in the script. And I was very worried, I was very tensed and very scared how the graphics will be working, how many graphics engineers will be thinking about it, and they will be smiling. And this kind of imagination of success in Argentina film, FIFA Football World Cup, FIFA will be smiling, and Nigeria team will be very happy, and so many people will be crying. And this is a fun imagination of success in film writing job is a fun. Each scene, when I was going through each scene, then it was a very mathematical process of thinking, a visual thinking process of Argentina film was a very difficult job, and I had film editing books with me. I had Argentina visual with me on YouTube, and I had different editing process of Argentina film on YouTube. YouTube helped me a lot while writing the film. So today I am a little bit happy to share my happiness from India to Argentina, and also to Nigeria government, Kenya government, Ghana government, Cameroon government. We have already placed our next booking for an Argentina Soul in the Melody of a Love song. This is the 4 countries. Now this Argentina film going to release. So I am sharing my thoughts. I am sharing my gratitude, my happiness of creating this kind of prestigious project from India to African countries. And I must tell Nigeria government, life starts after a cup of coffee. With Ashutosh Gwarika, Hrithik Roshan and Katrina Kaif did a very good response business, some 520 crore or 500 crore. That report we need in Kolkata banks, and that printed report will be with the banks. So this is a learning process for a writer. This is a learning process for a visual writer who is writing complicated films, who is writing very broad narrative story. Latin American story writing is a very complicated job. You have to think about the Latin American relationships. You have to think about Latin American love affair, the nature of the love affair. And I am very happy with Scarlett Johansson. Scarlett Johansson is a very good friend of mine, very beautiful career. She has a very strong career. I have seen the YouTube of her career. Very beautiful actress, very strong actress. So her work as a journalist is very beautiful. And I was very happy after reading the entire script. I was very happy. The characterization process of Scarlett Johansson was very strong, very beautiful. So I'm happy with Nigeria government about the booking letter, 800 screens, and I have already sent all the posters to Nigeria, Kenya, Cameroon, Ghana. And from Nigeria, asked director Pablo Cesar to give a cell phone interview and release it in internet of Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, and Cameroon. So I wish all the best to Nigeria market. I will be waiting for the response from Nigeria. Now I'm moving to Turkey. Turkey government and Ministry of Finance and all the banks in Turkey, Istanbul, where we have placed the booking for Turkey. And I am telling all the bank officers in Turkey to hear my video, my Instagram. Turkey is a place where we are placing the food corporation business, 2 centers or 3 centers after the release of the film. When the revenue will be coming, it will be discussed how to reinvest the revenue. When you are getting revenue from 30 countries, automatically an investor has to display the plan, the finance movement plan to all the banks, that what you are doing with the reinvestment plan of the revenue. Then you have to channelize a new business corporation. New business corporation, food corporation business in Turkey, 2 or 3 different centers with the revenue. So I'm telling Turkey government to market. I will be coming when I'm in office. I'll be coming to Turkey government and Turkey Tourism Ministry to distribute the new posters. And somehow Turkey will be seeing the European market response. And we are not going to Portugal now. We are not going to Iraq, Baghdad now. Baghdad will be going later. And Afghanistan government, Rajat Bala talking with Afghanistan government, Kabul government, all the banks in Kabul, Afghanistan, and Rajat Bala in Kolkata sending my well wishes and my gratitude, my respect to all the bank officers for an Argentina Soul to Melody of Love song to show to all the Afghan people, and Afghan people should enjoy the entire drama, 7 songs. Latin American film having 7 songs from Indian film writer. This is the collaboration, and this kind of collaboration will be more regular, and we'll be looking for this kind of collaboration from Kolkata. And I'm a little bit busy today. Today's song number 5 of Durga Puja festival of Mahishasur Mardini today recording in 3 hours time. Very complicated classical song. And a little bit of complication today. Sound engineers are waiting, some recording going on, told me to wait outside. So I'm a little bit optimistic, I'm a little bit happy, I'm a little bit confident about the success of the film, and we want to enjoy the success of the film. So Indian government will get the news of the success, and I wish all the best, and I wish I'll be again talking about Argentina film later. Have a nice day.